Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to add hashtags on your YouTube video. Here you can see that I have added 3 hashtags and it is showing on my video. If you want to add the hashtags, all you need to do is under description at the bottom you can see that I have added 3 hashtags: show me, hash readme, hash backup and restore. If you want to add more hashtags you can do that. Click on edit video and under description you have to go all the way down. Here you can see that currently I have added 3 hashtags. I am adding one more. Now totally I have added 4. Now let's save the changes. After saving the video, the hashtags will not appear immediately on the video. It may take few minutes. After that you can see the hashtags. See, I have added totally 4 hashtags but it is showing only 3. You need to add only related hashtags to the video. If you see over here, when I click on backup and restore hashtag, so it is showing all the videos related to backup and restore. My video is also showing up. That's it guys. In this way you can add a hashtag to your YouTube video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.